Hello everyone, you are welcome this channel Tech for Advice. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to enable or disable tray icon, system tray icon in Windows 10. So for enable or disable, click on right button of your mouse on desktop anywhere. Go to graphics options. Here is the option tray icon and here is the option enable or disable. So if you want to disable, select this one, and you want to again enable tray icon, click right button of your mouse, go to graphics options and go to tray icon and easily select enable. So by this simple method you can enable or disable tray icon in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.